This is the last week of learning, Year 4.
We still have lots of things to learn.
Check out all the fun activities we have for you to do.
This week, you are going to be completing a HIIT workout. So, HIIT stands for High Intensity Interval Training, and it is a workout that helps keep you fit and healthy. It's a tough one. So, what I really want you to remember as the summer holidays are approaching, please remember to keep your mental and physical fitness in mind. Look back through all of the PE resources that we have sent you and try to complete a short workout each day to keep you fit and healthy over the summer holidays. Have fun! This week in Maths, you are going to be completing Week 10 and Week 11 of the White Rose Math website. You're going to be learning about charts and about line graphs. And then when you move into Week 11, you're going to be learning how to identify and how to compare angles. What you can do to help you do this is look up on YouTube. Is there any songs or little rhymes that might be able to help you to remember how to find these things? For example, I've just found this one.
Between 0 and 90, an angle is acute. This angle's small and skinny and kinda cute. It looks like a V or the top of a Y, or the angles that you see eating pizza or pie. Angles are measured in degrees, and here's how to remember that.
So, this song I was able to find, and it tells me all about the 3 different types of angles. It tells me about an acute angle, a right angle, and an obtuse angle. So if you find this might be something to help you, why not give it a go? I hope that all the work that we've been giving you these last few months have been really helpful towards your home learning. And even though summer holidays are approaching and you are all looking forward to a well-deserved break, please try and continue to practice your maths when you have some free time. I promise you it will really help you for when you come back to school and go into Year 5. Try using BBC Teach for some challenging math activities as well. Keep up the excellent work.
To help you gather more knowledge about the USA, this week we've given you several 60-second reads about the USA. Read the short blurbs about the USA and answer the comprehension questions about them.
Last week, you went on a virtual road trip across the USA. You should have stopped off in at least 4 different locations and found out lots of information. You're going to use that information this week in order to create some fact files, blogs, and even a vlog if you can. On the English slide, we've given you lots of examples and ideas. Try to be as creative as possible as you're presenting your work. Remember that because this is literacy and geography, it's going to include lots of varied sentence structures and a great use of your vocabulary. You also want to make sure that you include lots of facts, because this is going to be your geographical information.
This week in Spanish, we're looking at bugs. Check out the website and learn the Spanish names for all the bugs you see. Can you memorize them? Can you say them in Spanish if you see them outside? Enjoy!
We are so proud with how well you've done with your times table over the last term. What we'd now like you to do is continue with times table rockstars over the summer. You can practice every single day. Your times tables will be set up to the 12 times table because now that you've reached the end of Year 4, you should be able to do all of your times tables up to 12 times 12.
These last few weeks we've been learning all about the different states of America. So what we would love for you to do this summer is try and learn the names of all the 50 states of America. We've added a link for a song here that will help you remember. And an extra challenge. When you come back in Year 5, I wonder will you be able to sing the song word for word along with Miss Wade?
This week in geography, use the slideshow provided and compare the USA and the United Kingdom. Remember to use your comparative conjunctions. For example, however, in contrast, on the other hand, yet. Remember to have full sentences. Provide at least 3 to 4 different examples of how the USA and the United Kingdom are different, and 3 to 4 on how the United Kingdom and the US are similar.
For your mindfulness task this week, we want you to think about writing a letter for your new Year 5 teacher. Sit down and reflect upon your best experiences of year 4. Was it the new friends that you made, or was it the new things that you learned? It can be anything you want to write about, no matter how big or small. Then we want you to sit and think about what goals do you have for yourself for year 5, and how are you going to achieve these goals? Is there anything you could even start to do in the summer to help you begin to achieve these goals? You can email a copy of these letters to the Year 4 email account, because I know we, your teachers, would love to hear all about your Year 4 memories. Enjoy it.
For art, we want you to use some nature in order to create your pictures. If possible, go outside and collect some leaves, and then you can either use paint to paint one side of them and then push them onto a piece of paper, a bit like creating your own stamp. Or what you can do using those same leaves, you can put them underneath a piece of paper and then you can use a crayon or a pencil in order to rub the design on the other side. Use your imagination to see how you could create other objects and ideas just by using these leaf designs. In the Year 4 files, you'll find some ideas and examples that can help you with this task.
We would like you to take a look at some of your home learning tasks that you've completed over the last few weeks. We want you to select 2 to 3 pieces that you're proud of, and we want you to explain why you're proud of them. Did you challenge yourself? Did you learn something new? Did you spend time completing it? We want to know why you've chosen these, and we would like you to share them with us. We look forward to seeing what you've chosen and why.
We know that learning has looked a little bit different this term, but this is the last week of work.
And we are all so proud of all the hard work that you've been putting in over the last few months.
We want to wish you all the best in September going into year 5. We know that you're going to rock it. Adios!
See you later.
And have a great summer.